Section 4.4, using StatCrunch to construct a frequency marginal distribution. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this data into StatCrunch. Okay, first I want you to take a look here. When you open up the data in StatCrunch, this is considered a summary, meaning that all these values are summarized into this distribution. The first column says variable 1. This represents the row labels y1, y2. And then we have the columns, which is x1, x2, and x3. Now what we want to do is we want to create a frequency marginal distribution. So we're going to go to Stat, and then we're going to select Tables. We're going to go down to where it says Contingency, and since this is a summary of data, we're going to select with Summary. And then the columns that we want to select are all the columns that have the numbers in them. So we have column x1, x2, and x3. And the row labels are the labels that y1 and y2 represent, which is the column variable 1. And now all we need to do is select Compute. Okay, and so let's go ahead and copy this table down and then compare it to how we would have done this by hand. Okay, so let's take a look here, right? So when you add up 30 plus 15 plus 50, then you get the row total of 95. Okay, if we take the next row, 30 plus 25 plus 50, that gives us 105. Okay, now if we want to add the columns, if we add the columns, 30 plus 30 is 60, and you will see we get that here. If we get 15 plus 25, that gives us 40, and then 50 plus 50 gives us 100, and then 95 plus 205 is going to give us 200. And likewise, if we added up this entire row down here, this would also give us 200. So this is using StatCrunch to create a frequency marginal distribution.